Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore how to edit players in EA College Football 25. Whether you are looking to customize a football team or create a dream roster, this tutorial will help you guide you through the process. To start editing players, navigate to the Team tab in the game. From there, select View Roster. This will allow you to see all the players on your team. You can choose any player you want to edit. Step 2. Editing players details. Once you have selected a player, press triangle or PS5 or Y and Xbox to view their player card. Tap over to the More and select Edit Players. Here you can modify various attributes such as player rating, position, and physical appearance. Step 3. Customizing player rating. In the Edit Player menu, select the Rating tab. You can adjust attributes like speed, acceleration, and awareness. Remember to keep your change realistic to maintain the game's authenticity. Step 4. Finalizing changes. After making your desired change, exit the Edit Player menu. Your player new attributes will be saved. Note that the changes are specific to your dynasty mode and cannot be shared. And that's it. Editing players is it. In EA College 25 is straightforward and allow you to personalize your gaming experiences. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tech related content.